Hello, my dear students, and welcome back once again in your class 7 with a new chapter of your final term syllabus. So, today we are going to start our social and political life chapter number 7. Okay, students, before going into the chapter, let me discuss few questions with you all. Okay, who will tell me that how you start your day? As you wake up in the morning, what is your daily schedule? What remains your routine? Right, you wake up in the morning, then you will be definitely going for your brush. For your brush, what you require? Your toothpaste, your brush. Right. Okay. Then after that, you will go for your bath. Right. For your bath, what are the things you require? Your bathing towel, right? Soap, shampoo, right? Okay, then after that you take your breakfast, right? And in your breakfast, what you take? Bread, butter, chapati, vegetable, okay, idli, okay, fine. These things you take in your breakfast. Okay, all these things, your brush, your toothpaste, your soap, your shampoo, your towel, and if I'll say about your bread, your vegetable, है ना, your butter, from where you take all these things? From your nearby shops, from the market. Yes, so this is our today's topic. The topic is markets around us, right? So today we are going to discuss about this chapter, very interesting, very easy chapter. Okay, markets around us, whatever our requirement are for our daily use, the things which we can fulfill our basic or the daily needs, that all things we purchase from the market directly or indirectly, है ना? All these things, if I'll say your nearby shops, the street hawkers which come to sell vegetables, है ना? And your cloth shop, your grocery shop, all each and every kinds, shopping malls, if I'll say big examples, all these things comes under the markets, where we go, we purchase the things, and later on we use those things, and without those things our life is completely impossible, right? So just see carefully the smart content.
Markets around us. Hello students, now we will start a new topic, markets around us. We are going to market to purchase the vegetables, food, bread, cold drinks, clothes, etc.
Right?
Market is a place in which we can purchase. Good purchasing is when we take a slip when going to market.
Hannah, what is a good purchasing? Suppose you have to take very important things, and those are in number 10 things. Suppose if I'll give example, so how you will go? Just write that on a particular slip, or nowadays if you are available with the phones, you can type that in the phones and then take it along with you, है ना? Because I will not suggest you to take the phones. Just write down that on a particular slip. Take that, whatever things you are getting, just start ticking it on, है ना? So this is the good way for before going to the market and a good purchasing. Okay.
By slip, we can manage time and money. Weekly market. Weekly market is called.
But first of all, we will be going to discuss into this chapter is our weekly market. Now you got it that what is a market? Market is a place where we go and purchase all the necessary things, whatever comes under our requirements. So every particular person has different requirements. So definitely, so what is a weekly market? What is a weekly market? It is because they held on a weekday. If you have seen, if you will go on Sundays into Sirsa as well, now you can see everywhere large number of people used to gather there here and there into the markets, because people have settled their weekly markets. These are not the permanent shops. People used to place any particular on a particular place, they used to settle their things, and from the morning till the evening they just sell their things, and in the evening they just wrap up their things, and on the next day somewhere else they used to settle that. Okay, just see carefully.
called weekly because it is held on week. Weekly markets don't have their shop. This market starts in the morning and ends in the late evening. In India, there is a huge weekly market daily. People come to purchase things according to their daily requirement.
Right?
In these types of market, we find the products cheaper because they don't have their own shop, so the rate of electricity, AC, etc. is not counted in the products that they sell.
So there may be a difference. Suppose you have get one thing. If I'll be giving you just one example. Suppose if you have purchased one top from the weekly market, right, and same top you may get from any showroom on a high price. But it is our mentality na कि yeah, definitely in the weekly market we cannot get द थिंग विच वी वॉन्ट टू वेयर, है ना. हमारी जो एक स्टेटस लेवल होता है अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट डेफिनेटली वी कैन नॉट गेट. बट आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एन एग्जाम्पल. If you will purchase same top from any showroom, you will get that on a high price. Suppose you have get that in 1000 rupees, and from the weekly market you can get that into 300 rupees. How? What is the difference? Why is this difference? You know why? Because the weekly market people, they don't have any settled shops. They need not to pay any electricity bill for the shop. They need not to pay for the lightning, है ना, for anything, है ना, for that particular rent as well. They need not to pay. But a person who has a permanent settlement, permanent settled shop, they have to give that rent of that particular shop, electricity bill, and salary to the boys who are working there, or to the girls whosoever are working there. So this is the difference how you can. So this is how, that is why some of the people, they used to purchase the one which cannot afford on the big shops. Definitely they purchase these things into the weekly market because they get that into very cheap rate, cheap prices. Okay. And in weekly market, on one place people may get each and everything. In one row they can get their clothes, their utensils, their shoes, and the things whatever is requirement. Okay.
They sell their product on a very low price. The benefit of this type of bazaars is in one place we find every type of product which we require,
Right?
like vegetables, groceries, or cloth items, utensils. All of them can be found here.
Okay.
Shops in the neighborhood. We have seen that the weekly.
Yes. So you suppose if you want to eat something, like if I'll say you want to eat some chocolate, or you want to eat some chips, है ना, or suppose you want to purchase anything for your friend. So definitely there are so many shops in your neighborhood. There are no. So shop in the neighborhood. There are ample of shops in your neighborhood, and sometimes you may get clothes also, है ना. कई लोगों का ऐसा घर ऐसी लोकेशन में होता है that you can get each and everything from that particular area only. So what are the shops, what are the benefits shops in the neighborhood? Suppose I'm just giving you we are just going to compare. Suppose if you have gone to market, है ना, and you have to purchase something, but you forgot to take money, है ना, तो can you ask that person कि अंकल आप आज मुझे दे दो and tomorrow I'll pay you? Why that person will believe you? है ना, why that person will show trust in you? He will say no, I cannot give like that. Okay, because he is unknown to you and you are unknown to that particular person. But if you will ask same question in your neighborhood shop कि uncle I forgot that money at my home only, can you please give me, I'll give you in the morning. So he will say okay beta, you are just living besides me only, so you can take, है ना. It happens now. So this is the biggest difference, shops in the neighborhood and if I'll say this market. So just see.
Weekly markets offer a variety of goods, and we also buy the things from other types of markets. We may buy milk from the dairy, groceries from departmental stores, stationeries, eatables, or medicines from other shops. There are different kinds of sellers even in the neighboring markets. Some of them have permanent shops, and others sell their goods on the roadside. Shopping complexes and
Right, you got it. What are the shops in the neighborhood? There are different kinds of shops na? We too have the like departmental stores, and some of if I'll talk about the neighborhood, some of the people used to come, the street hawkers, they also used to come daily in same streets. Okay, they also comes under this. Okay, so now we are going to there is one story on your page number 85. Sujata and Kavita were sent to buy groceries from their neighborhood shops. तो सुजाता और कविता को क्या किया, they were sent to their neighborhood shop to purchase some groceries. This was the shop they usually went to, and on that particular shop they usually went to that particular shop. So it was crowded today. The shop owner managed the shop herself with two helpers. When they managed to get into the shop, Sujata dictated a list to her. She in turn began asking her helpers to weigh and pack the items. Meanwhile, Kavita looked around. When that owner of the shop, she started helping her and with the packing of these groceries which they wanted to get. So what happens on the top, just listen carefully, on the top left shelf there were different brands of detergent cakes, right? Another shelf had toothpaste, talcum powder, shampoo, hair oil. The different brands and different colors looked so attractive. On the floor lay a few sets. It happens so sometimes we just go on the departmental stores, है ना, हम लेने तो कुछ जाते हैं लेकिन दूसरी साइड पे कुछ और पड़ा होता है जो हमें बहुत अट्रैक्ट करता है कि, है ना, बच्चे बोलते हैं ना कि मम्मा मुझे तो वो केक चाहिए, आई वॉन्ट दैट केक, I want to eat that cake, or I want to purchase that biscuit. It happens sometimes, no? So same happened here. It took almost 20 minutes to weigh and pack all the groceries. Then Sujata showed her notebook. It took 20 minutes and she made a slip on the notebook. The woman noted the amount of 3,000 in notebook and gave it back. She noted 3,000. उसने note क्यों किया? Because she did not bring any of the penny. है ना, वो भूल गई थी, पैसे लाना भूल गई थी, या वो लाई नहीं, right? So she also noted the amount in her big register. The owner, she noted down the payment. Okay, this much money she has to pay it back to the owner. So definitely she trusted because she was living into the neighborhood. उसने trust किया कि whenever next time she will be coming or visiting to her shop, definitely she is going to pay. So this is the big difference in the then Sujata took the heavy bags out of the shop. Her family will pay for the purchases in the first week of next month. So these somewhere we also do this, है ना, ऐसा होता है ना, हम भी in the neighborhood shops only, remember, we can do this, not in any, if we are going to any other city and to that particular person कि हाँ अंकल आज तो हम लाए नहीं, भूल गए और हम कल दे देंगे, not at all, right? Okay, so next is shopping complexes and malls. So here is one more story. So just go through this story, very simple, very easy story. I will be asking you about this story. Okay, so shopping malls and complexes. Just see what is this.
Malls. We have two kinds of marketplaces, weekly markets and markets in our neighborhood.
We have discussed about these kind of markets, weekly markets plus markets in our neighborhood. Now what are the malls? In the malls we can get each and everything under one roof. It's maybe branded, it's maybe non-branded, fine. So if you want to get any branded thing, you have to go on a particular like corner, and if you have to go any branded or non-branded whatever. So you have seen Reliance, Trends, Big Bazaar, so many now opening as well in our Sirsha, hai na? So shopping malls and complexes are the places where we get each and every things which are our requirements under one roof. Okay, we need not to go like here and there for different things.
There are other markets in the urban area that have many shops, popularly called shopping complexes. And there are another type of multi-storied air-conditioned buildings with shops on different floors, known as malls. In these shopping malls and complex, every type of branded and non-branded item we find.
Okay.
Chain of markets.
Abhi, now what is this chain of market? You understood that shopping complexes and malls and whatever we have discussed. Now chain of market. Suppose if a farmer has sown something into his farm, so directly we people go to that farmer and get the things, है ना. If we want to purchase the vegetables or the fruits, ever we go directly to that particular farmer? ऐसा कभी हुआ है? Or if we have to purchase any like sweater or any clothes, directly we are going to factory to purchase that? No, there is a chain. What is the chain? Firstly, that person, if I'll say that farmer, है ना, what do we say, that that farmer will give his thing to the wholesaler, then that wholesaler will give it to the retailer, and then finally it will come to the consumer. So this is what called the chain of the market. Clear? See carefully.
Chain of markets, there is a big group of the sellers. The wholesale trader first buys goods in large quantities.
Right?
Markets everywhere. We see that there are markets.
Now on your page number, if I'll say 88, markets everywhere, it is not only कि there are only weekly markets or the simple markets, or if I'll say only shopping complexes are there, or shops in the nearby or neighborhood are there. No, nowadays we can see there is huge market on online as well. So many people used to purchase ample of things online. It happens, no? अब कई बार तो क्या होता है, धोखा हो जाता है उनके साथ, है ना, दिखाते कुछ हो रहा है और देते कुछ हो रहा है, राइट. बट प्रोबेबली इफ विल से what happens कि online, if you will order, we can purchase our groceries, we can purchase our clothes, shoes, whatever is our requirement, definitely we can go anywhere. So markets everywhere means there are markets everywhere. In your phones markets are there, in your laptops markets are there. I'm just talking about the online shoppings, right? But if you want to purchase to going by market, you can do that. So that is what called the markets everywhere. Okay.
Everywhere. By this, we can purchase things from one place. You can place orders for a variety of things through the phone and these days through the internet, and the goods are delivered at your home.
Right?
By new technology, we can shop with credit card.
Yes, in internet even we need not to pay cash only, है ना, we can pay them by our credit cards, है ना. So there are ample of things, so many facilities technology is giving us.
Malls, big bazaar, etc. Markets and equality.
What is mean by market and equality? Just see, I'll be definitely clearing you one thing. See, what is market and equality? As we are going to take example of weekly market and the shopping complexes. In the shopping complexes, if same top, again I will go to the same example, top wala example, fine. If same top we have purchased from the shopping complex, right, that person is going to earn a lot from that particular top, but the person who is sitting in the weekly market, he is going to earn very less. So this is what equality comes, inequality comes. So what is market and equality? Just see.
We will study about the different type of markets, their work, their productivity, etc. Their materials and price is low and high, and their quality. There is weekly and mall type of market.
Okay students, so this was what which I told you already, ki in the markets and equality it also comes, ki in the markets and equality what comes, the benefits, the profits and the earnings and the quality. Definitely if you are going to purchase anything from that weekly market, the quality will be varying, that quality will going to vary from the branded thing. Definitely that is why we people are started going slowly by with the brands. Okay, so with this our chapter is finished. Hope you understood this chapter. It was the smallest and easiest one, है ना. So if you still face any kind of issue, any problem, definitely we are going to discuss each and everything in the online class. But before that, don't forget to study and just to read that story which is there on your page number 86, right, and on your page number 88. These both stories are your homework. This is only homework which I had been given you. Okay, take care, stay safe, stay healthy.